We've got cloud cover hanging in over Lexington, and we've also got showers and thunder showers out there this morning. Check it out. Now, at least within Fayette County proper, we've got some spotty showers around, but there are numerous bursts of heavy rain out around Owingsville, dropping down through Richmond, and then edging off back towards Bardstown there in Harrodsburg. So you've got some active weather this morning, but it's in this narrow corridor. Notice our southeastern counties not really showing much activity. And up toward the Ohio River, it's much the same. So we've got this development through the heart of the bluegrass. You've still got your cold front tracking in for later on today. That's going to drop in from the northwest, and that will spark additional coverage. And that's where we could get into some stronger storms and heavier rain. And it's a wide-ranging boundary there. It runs all the way from North Texas up into Canada. So this boundary that's been hung up over Ohio and Indiana the last couple of days finally dropping south. So in towards lunchtime in the afternoon, this is where we start to see the potential for some stronger storms. You get the front coming in plus daytime heating, and all of it's gradually going to shift into our eastern counties along that boundary. So things could quiet down in the bluegrass through the late afternoon and then into the evening for our southeastern counties. And then we could see a few lingering showers and storms tomorrow. This shows the forecast for lightning potential, and where it gets yellowish, that is an indication of some fairly frequent lightning strikes. So we'll be dealing with that into the afternoon as well. And on top of that, you could see the potential for some locally heavy rain. Rainfall amounts will vary, but it could be anywhere between a few tenths of an inch upwards of an inch or two. We're showing these pockets, and don't pay so much attention to the location, just the amount here, because it's going to be hit or miss. But there could be repeated rounds coming through where you may end up with a couple of inches later on today and some localized flash flood concerns. Speaking of heavy rain, what's left of Nicholas is still swamping the Gulf Coast from Galveston over through New Orleans, where you're seeing that pink to white. That's an indication of over 10 inches of rain, possibly around a foot or more. And it's still coming down, so they've still got flash flood watches in effect from Louisiana all the way over to the panhandle of Florida. 71 degrees now. Dew points are in the 60s and 70s. It's warm. It's still muggy, but we're not going to get into the mid to upper 80s today with the cloud cover and the storm chance around. We're going to get knocked down to the upper 70s and then gradually climb into the low to mid 80s heading into the upcoming weekend. And the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook still showing a bullseye. If you look at the calendar there, the dates through September 25th, we're still looking at above average warmth. So yeah, no big cold snap, no early shot of fall, any fall feel coming our way, even though we're continuing on into the month of September. Over the weekend, low to mid 80s. Let's keep an eye on that chance for a few showers and storms Saturday, and then again another round toward the middle of next week.